How to buy Ray or RHYMETON token. So as you can see, this token is kind of Russian language, so it's a Russian token. So before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert, so before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. And also there is a referral code down in the description. You can get free money rewards on crypto with the best referral code. Simply just go below, fund your account and enjoy the benefits. Check the amount in the description. Now before going on by this token, make sure to as you can see, this token is available on the explainer and it created by 8 hours ago and increased by 3000% in the last 24 hours. As you can see, this token trending #1 on ton section in the explainer right now. To be able to buy this token, it's easy and simple. Just copy the token address from here. If you want to buy on the Ton wallet, you can open your Ton wallet, as you can see. So what you need to do, just click on swap here. Now, as you can see, click here and paste the token address here. So this is our token. Now click on it. So from the top, select the token that you want to buy with, for example, USDT. So if you don't have an USDT on your wallet, now you can fill your wallet with some USDT. So after you fill your wallet with some USDT, as you can see, I will just repeat. So just paste the token address here, as you can see. Sorry guys. So click on swap here, click here, and paste the token address. So now click on it. So as you can see, this is our token. Now select the token that you want to buy, for example, USDT, and here type how much you want to buy. So here we'll be able to see how much you receive. Now after that, as you can see, select one of these providers. So because I don't have any fund on my account, I can be able to see here how much I will receive that token. So for you will be able to see how much you receive, and here you will be able to select one of these provider. So after you select the provider, click here on swap, and now you can complete the buy process on your wallet, so to be able to buy this token. So this is how to buy RHYMETON token. If you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.